All right, ladies and gentlemen, now who wants some more action tonight? Do you want some more action? All right, coming up next, we got a featured attraction. First out, fighting out on the red corner, representing Uzbekistan, Erali Boykobilov.
Assalomu alaykum aziz kuzatuvchilar. Hozir muzika ketadi. Shunga ovozini o'zim o'chirib qo'ydim. Noto'g'ri tushunmaysizlar. Shu muzika bo'lib qolsa YouTube'da bloklab qo'yadi. Shunga videoga like bosib, qo'llab-quvvatlab turasizlar do'stlar. Jang boshlanishi bilan, sirazi muzika o'chishi bilan sirazi ovozini yoqaman. Bemalol ko'raverasizlar. Videoga like bosib, podpishka qilishni davom etamiz do'stlar. Kanalimizga obuna bo'lib qo'yasizlar.
Action for the night. First off, fighting out of the right corner to my left, representing Uzbekistan, Erali Boykobilov. And his opponent fighting out of the blue corner across the ring, representing Tajikistan, Mehdi Garcia, Abdurozik. And when the action begins, your referee in charge, Don Tiron.
Tail of the tape, 1.4
Assalomu alaykum aziz kuzatuvchilar. Hamyurtimiz jangi bo'lmoqda. Videoga like bosib, qo'llab-quvvatlab turamiz do'stlar. Erali Qobilov va Abdurozik. Do'stlar, videoga like bosib, qo'llab-quvvatlab qo'yamiz, kommentariyada omad tilab qo'yamiz va kanalimizga obuna bo'lib qo'yinglar do'stlar. Shunaqangi zo'r janglarni o'tkazib yubormaysizlar.
Erali versus Abdurozik, they were making a lot of strides and a lot of commentary back and forth during the press conferences and even the weigh-ins. And it's sure to be fireworks now, as it is our co-main event before we hit the main event. In the red corner, our white-shorted fellow is Erali, and in the blue corner, Abdurozik in the black and gold shorts. Our refs ready to get us started.
Boxers, obey my instruction all the time. I don't want to see any repeat punches. Kidney or below the belt. Touch gloves. Good luck.
Ladies and gentlemen, this battle is 3 rounds of 1.5 minutes each.
Qadrli kuzatuvchilar, videoga like bosib, qo'llab-quvvatlab qo'yamiz. Kichkin to'ylarni jang uchun mazza qilib jangni tomosha qilinglar va kanalimizga obuna bo'linglar. Videoga like bosishni unutmanglar. Mana shu translyatsiyamizni kichkina mehnatimizni qo'llab-quvvatlagan holatda bitta dona like bosib qo'yinglar.
history in the making.
Erali's coming swinging hard. got these punches and bunches. Abdurozik throws a couple in and then pushes back.
You know, Erali's moving forward. Abdurozik is being warned. I feel that Abdurozik almost quit.
He does look worried. You can see that on his face. But I think, you know, as he continues into this ring, he'll find his space. It's just, will it be enough? Uppercuts from Abdurozik.
Wow, taunting from
And
Erali.
Erali taunts him. Tells him to come into the pocket, he says. Come in the pocket, I'll show you something.
Abdurozik was telling him, you come to me.
Nice jab there from Abdurozik. Erali just punches and punches again. That's kind of the game plan, it seems, isn't it? Taunts him some more, does Erali. A lot of great punches coming out of Erali. A lot of great punches.
Abdurozik finally got one shot in, and now he gave him some confidence moving.
Nice, there was a couple of shots there that landed from Abdurozik.
Yeah, but you know, Erali just gassed out. Look, he's breathing hard.
He keeps screaming at Abdurozik. Interesting first round, but I definitely have to give it to Erali. He seems like the more confident fighter in there. Not the most technically sound, but punches and bunches win the fight, my friends.
Yeah, it's
a lot of significant strikes here.
Yeah, you know, I think that some strikes came in towards the end of the fight from Abdurozik.
And here we see in the replay, Abdurozik's beginning to warm up here. You see that right kind of connected.
Well, he needs to calm down, Ali. He really
yeah, I think that the stars, the ambience, the crowd, and just this anxiety that I was talking about earlier is just getting to him. I think once he gets past the first round, he'll calm down.
Qadrli kuzatuvchilar, videoga like bosib qo'ying. Birinchi raund dahshatli bo'ldi.
You gotta love that.
Udollar ham yaxshi, mana anchagina yaxshi udollar berdi. Erali. Videoga like bosib qo'ying do'stlar.
The coaches have told their fighters.
Here's round 2. Abdurozik in the black shorts and Erali in the white shorts. Erali, same game plan, coming in, punches and bunches.
But you know, he gasses out towards the end, so Abdurozik needs to kind of wither the storm.
Yeah, I agree with you, Rio. You got to weather that storm and just, you know, find moments where you can just implement your game plan.
And I feel Abdurozik is panicking. He should not panic because he's not doing so bad. He should concentrate on straight punches versus, you know, those haymakers that Erali is doing. The difference is confidence between the two. That's a slip. I don't think that was a knockdown.
I don't think that was a knockdown. It's a slip, yeah.
And
he's telling him, don't trip him.
He said he kicked me to my stomach. He kicked me to the stomach. And he told him, don't kick him to the stomach. If referee's telling him, don't kick him to the stomach.
Yeah.
Was there a kick? I didn't see the kick.
I didn't see it either, but I'd love to see Abdurozik just kind of relax a little bit and throw his combinations, because I feel if he does, one of those is going to land and just put Erali back. Erali needs kind of something to just hit him so he could just back up a bit.
But Erali is a boxing machine. He's going forward. Look, he's actually doing some strikes to the body, and Abdurozik now is pushing.
You got to wonder how much gas is left in Erali's gas tank right now.
I like
gotta be
Abdurozik
tiring.
right now. I like Abdurozik going straight punches versus hooks and stuff.
He's going to the body more. I see that. He's feeling a lot more comfortable, that's for sure.
You know, in my book, it's 1 round each.
Qadrli do'stlar, ikkinchi raund o'z nihoyasiga yetdi. Hamyurtimizni qo'llab-quvvatlab padisha qilib turamiz. Ol
So that was an
O'zbekiston.
interesting round in the sense that Abdurozik is starting to find his rhythm. He's starting to calm down. Still a little bit anxious. You see that in space, but there are moments of brilliance here. We see some nice
Qo'llarini qaranglar
shots
mana.
here from Erali.
Yaxshi tayyorlangan. O'zbekiston bilasizlar, boks yaxshi-ku. Eng yaxshi murabbiylar tayyorlandi.
But I like the defense here. I like the defense from Abdurozik. It's just he's getting bullied, isn't he?
ko'rsatmoqda.
I think he just
Videoga like bosishni unutmanglar. Kanalimizga obuna bo'lishni unutmanglar do'stlar.
Out or down at least.
Hali ham 1000 ta like bo'lmabdi
Well,
shunga.
I'll tell you what I'd like to see. I'd like to see him throw more jabs as Erali comes in. Because as he comes in, he throws that jab, his stiff jab is going to wake him right up. And Erali will realize very quickly he can't come in like that.
And he ends up having the brunt of the hit because he's moving forward and he gets a jab waiting for him.
Yeah, that's a slip there that we saw. Moving into round 3 of our star attraction here, the co-main event between Abdurozik in the black and gold shorts and Erali in the white shorts. And so far, it's really been the story of Erali dominating this fight with his punches.
Erali is very confident. He looks like he has more power. He's winding up for his hits, but he gasses out because of those wind-up. And look how he's leaving his jab out there, like making sure that Abdurozik doesn't come close to him.
It's really about being comfortable in the ring, isn't it? And you can just see who's more comfortable than the other. Erali just seems to be really in his zone right now.
Qadrli do'stlar, bunaqa efirlarni chiqatdan topolmaysizlar. Shuning uchun shunaqa yaxshi aktiv kanal uchun podpishka qilib, kanalga obuna bo'lib, like'larni bosib, kommentariyalarni yozib, qo'llab-quvvatlab turinglar do'stlar. Bunaqangi pulli translyatsiyalarni sizlarga bepulga YouTube'da olib beramiz.
Let's see, that's the third hit to the back of the head. And the reach is actually to the advantage of the man in the white, Erali. But he's gassing out. He's gassing out. And what do we have? 16 seconds.
Nice shots there from Erali as he continues to push. Abdurozik took a couple of punches there to the face. He comes back with a couple punches of his own, but I don't think it's going to be enough.
Qadrli do'stlar, 3-chi raund o'z nihoyasiga yetdi. To'g'risi necha raund bo'lishini bilmayman, xabarim yo'q edi. Janglarni ko'ramiz, maza qilib tomosha qilamiz. Videoga like bosib, podpishka qilib turamiz do'stlar.
Oh, I guess this one is 4 rounds, Ali.
Yeah, it's a star attraction, so 4th and final round coming in. On the way. Let's have a look here at the replay. And that's really the story of this fight, isn't it, Rio?
Oh, no, it's 3 rounds, not 4 rounds. I don't know why they say 4 rounds.
No, it's 4.
No, I think it's 3. Now there's disagreement if it's 3 rounds or 4 rounds.
It is 4 rounds. It is 4 rounds.
Yeah, it is 4 rounds.
Ref got distracted. I don't blame him.
I'm getting distracted every single time.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Coming up, 4th and final round.
4th final round and our co-main event here between Erali and Abdurozik. The touch gloves at the center.
So far in my book, it's actually 2 rounds to 1. Erali's dancing.
I love it. You love to see it.
Ooh, twice. He tagged him. Nice jabs. Actually, this is a good round so far for Abdurozik.
I'd like to see Abdurozik just relax and just let go a bit. I feel like something can come out of it if he just calms down a bit.
He needs some straight punches. Honestly, in my book so far, Abdurozik is winning this round because he's landing his jabs and there's his crosses straight to the face of Erali. Erali 1, 2, or 3 rounds.
Yeah, definitely won 3 rounds. In my books, Erali's winning this fight. So it's go for broke right now for Abdurozik. He's really got to pull something deep out of his hat and go for broke.
Abdurozik is getting stronger.
Oh, nice shot there from Erali. He took a nice hook. There was a nice right hook there that kind of turned Abdurozik. And there it is. That's the end of that fight. You gotta love this guy. Excellent show of boxing between these two. I want to say professionals, man. That was great. Win, lose, or draw, I mean, we're all winners here. I mean, that was a great fight, great show of sportsmanship between those two. And we're going to take it into the ring. Let's take it to the ring with Steve on the mic to get the official decision.
All right, is everybody having a good time? Ladies and gentlemen, after 4 hard-fought rounds, we declare both of them champions. What a great match, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for Erali Boykopulov and Abdurozik for your Social Knockout 3 featured bout of the night.
Tabriklaymiz mana shu bo'y o'tkazganing uchun. Qanaqa deb o'ylaysan? Yutding deb o'ylayapsanmi?
Конечно, men yutdim, chunki men ko'p udar o'tkazdim. Bu hech qila olmadi. Meni oldimda
He thinking he did more punches than his opponent and he think he win the fight.
what?
No, I'm trying to see it from your point of view. Would you do this again if you got offered a rematch?
Yana agar предложение bo'lsa revansh qilasanmi deyapti. Yana urushamiz.
Urushamiz. Revanch.
Yes, we will do revanch.
Keyingi safar uxlataman.
Next time I will knock him out.
Would you
Hamma kelganlarga rahmat kattakon. Thank you, Arabi, thank you, Dubai. I love you, Uzbekistan.
Thank you for everyone to come and support us.
Okay, Abdurozik, your opponent thought that he won the fight. What do you think? I heard you say that you're the winner.
He just punching in my back of head and he thinking he win 0. No. I need 6 rounds. They're making 3 rounds. Why? I wanted 6 rounds. Why did it 3 rounds?
So if we do a rematch and you end up having your 6th round, do you think you'll beat him up?
He has to pay me because why I'm doing him famous. He has to pay me after I will do. I don't want to without nothing making him famous. He has to pay me for making him famous because I am bigger than him.
Yana urushaman, yana revanch, yana urushaman.
I will fight again in revanch and he wants to say something more. Yana nima demoqchi eding?
You don't know how to talk. Your team is teaching you. You have to learn to how your own self talk.
Chidamayapsanmi? Udarib qattiq o'tdimi senga, ha?
He thinking his punching went strong and he's dizzy now.
Okay, your champions, Abdurozik and Erali!
Come on, ladies and gentlemen, once again, let's give it up for Erali Boykopulov and Abdurozik.
Assalomu alaykum aziz kuzatuvchilar, yana bir bora hamyurtimiz g'alaba qozondi deb o'ylaymiz. Bu yerda noto'g'ri referilar bo'ldi. Jangni ko'rib o'zingizlar baho beringlar, kommentariyada yozinglar kim yutganini haqiqatda.
Well, it seems that he firmly believes that he won the fight, and he wanted to have 6 rounds instead of 4.
Yeah, I heard that. I heard he wanted the 6 rounds. Abdurozik wanted 6 rounds, and he firmly believed that. What are your thoughts, Rio? What did you think of that fight?
Well, I honestly do think that Abdurozik lost the fight, but there were a couple of shots behind the head. I thought the referee should have deducted some points.
It's difficult to call those, at that size, as well as with boxing as well. You're constantly moving around. You're constantly bobbing and weaving, so it does become difficult. But yeah, I also agree with you. I thought Erali did win that fight. Unfortunately, Abdurozik thought otherwise. But hey, make for a great rematch, 100%.
Yeah, 6 rounds. I think everyone enjoyed this fight.
Yeah, that was a great star attraction for sure. And we look forward to seeing them back in the ring. I think they become a firm testament in the social knockout sphere, if I can say it like that.
Well, hey, look, it's great entertainment. I like what happened.